This week on In the Kitchen with Pete, we're making some outstanding ham and egg breakfast cups. They're so versatile, they're delicious any time of day. They're low carb friendly and they're easy to pack up and go. Looking for something a little fancier? Let's dress it up with a little Hollandaise sauce. Oh, that's beautiful. Hard to believe it's been 6 years since I've been retired from the fire hall. Some great memories, which brings me to this recipe. On Saturdays at the fire hall was always the big cleanup day. You did all the extras on Saturday, got the place shining, hopefully uninterrupted, then we'd have ourselves a nice brunch. And my buddy Rocky used to serve this up to the crews, very similar to this recipe. It's simple, you can serve up a gang. You're gonna love it. Let's get to it. Lightly coat your pan with cooking spray or a little bit of olive oil. And then we're gonna add some thin sliced deli ham. I like using these little small rectangle pans, but a round muffin pan works just as well. Then inside the ham, we're going to tuck down a little pinch of cheddar cheese. And then on top of that, some finely diced onions. Just a little sprinkle will do it. Next, we're going to crack an egg into each one. Next, we're going to give it some seasoning, a little Italian seasoning, and then a little bit of salt and pepper. Then we'll top that off with a little more cheddar cheese. I've got my oven preheated at 375. We'll pop that in the oven for about 17 minutes. And voila, there they are, fresh out of the oven. They're easy to pop out. Just get yourself a spoon and gently lift them up out of the pan. Oh, look at this. Doesn't that look lovely? These store well in the refrigerator as well. Make them the day before and warm them up for your guests when it's time for a little bit of brunch. And they travel well. They're delicious, hot or cold. Or maybe you want to fancy it up. Add a little Hollandaise sauce. Oh yeah, that's the way I like it. If you need a recipe for a Hollandaise sauce, just go to In the Kitchen with Pete episode 58 under Eggs Benedict. You'll also find that recipe under my breakfast playlist. Now look at that. They're so moist. They're so delicious. Oh, you're gonna love it. Hope you enjoyed the recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Just click that little red subscribe button down below and you'll get notified. And I always appreciate a thumbs up. Well, thanks for coming out and watching In the Kitchen with Pete. Until next time, see ya.